Did you know that every time you use your PC, Windows is constantly writing data to your SSD? Temporary files, browser caches, Windows updates, search indexing, and even system logs. Now don't worry, SSDs are designed to handle a lot of writes. But on low-end PCs with budget SATA SSDs or older drives, reducing unnecessary write activity can improve responsiveness, reduce background disk usage, and help your SSD last longer. In this video, I'll show you 5 safe ways to reduce unnecessary SSD writes using built-in Windows settings. No risky registry hacks, no third-party software. Let's get started. Before changing any settings, let's understand what's happening. Unlike traditional hard drives, SSDs don't have moving parts. They're much faster, more reliable. And every SSD has a lifespan measured by something called TBW, or terabytes written. For most users, modern SSDs will last many years. So this video isn't about preventing your SSD from failing tomorrow. Instead, it's about reducing unnecessary background activity that can make a low-end PC feel busy all the time. Less unnecessary writing means Windows spends more time responding to you and less time working in the background. Let's start with one of the biggest contributors. Tip 1. Turn on Storage Sense. Windows creates thousands of temporary files. Some are deleted automatically. Others stay behind for weeks or months. Instead of letting these files pile up, let Windows clean them automatically. Open Settings, go to System, select Storage, turn on Storage Sense. Click Storage Sense to customize it. You can choose how often Windows removes temporary files, empties the recycle bin, and clears old downloads if you use that option. This keeps your drive organized without you having to remember. Quick reminder: Storage Sense removes unnecessary files. It doesn't delete your personal documents unless you specifically enable that option. Tip 2. Reduce browser cache growth. Your web browser constantly writes data to your SSD. Every website you visit, images, videos, cookies, and cached files are stored to help pages load faster later. If you leave your browser open all day with dozens of tabs, that cache continues to grow. Instead of installing cache cleaners, simply build better habits. Close tabs you no longer need. Clear cached browsing data occasionally if it's become very large. If you're using Microsoft Edge, enable sleeping tabs. Go to Settings, then System and Performance, and turn on Save Resources with sleeping tabs. While this mainly reduces RAM usage, fewer active tabs also mean less background activity overall. Tip 3. Disable search indexing. Windows Search constantly updates its index whenever files change. That's helpful for folders you use every day, but if you have folders filled with old videos, archived photos, or backup files that rarely change, there's no need for Windows to keep indexing them. Open indexing options from the Start menu. Click Modify. Uncheck folders that don't need to be searched regularly. For example, an archive of finished video projects, old backups, or large media collections. Windows will spend less time updating its search database. Search will still work. It may just take a little longer when searching those excluded folders. Quick tip: only remove folders you rarely search. Leave important folders like Documents and Desktop indexed for faster, everyday searches. Tip 4. Avoid constantly filling your SSD. Here's something many people don't realize. An SSD performs best when it has free space to work with. If your drive is 95% full, Windows has less room for temporary files, updates, the page file, and maintenance tasks. Try to keep at least 20 to 30 GB of free space whenever possible. If your SSD is nearly full, move large videos, photos, or backups to an external drive. This not only improves performance, but also reduces unnecessary background management. Tip 5. Check which apps are writing to your drive. If your SSD is constantly active, find out why. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, click the Disk column. Watch which applications are using your storage the most. Sometimes you'll find cloud sync software, game launchers updating in the background, or applications repeatedly writing temporary files. Closing an unnecessary background app can immediately reduce disk activity. Understanding what's happening is always better than guessing. Modern SSDs are built to last, so don't spend your time worrying about every write operation. Instead, focus on reducing unnecessary background activity. Turn on storage sense. Manage your browser tabs. Limit indexing to folders you actually search. Keep enough free storage available. And use Task Manager to identify apps causing excessive disk activity. These simple habits can help your low-end Windows 11 PC feel smoother while also reducing unnecessary wear on your SSD. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Simplifix Tech for more Windows 11 optimization tips designed specifically for low-end PCs. And let me know in the comments, are you using an SSD or a traditional hard drive, and how much free space do you have left? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.